Parallels 26 optimized for macOS Tahoe. Yeah, as usual, this is just a decoy to show the official installation page. The link for this is somewhere in my Telegram channel. If you don't check there, you would never get it. Yeah, so open the main folder and let's launch the main Parallels 26 DMG. Follow along very carefully. I don't see why this shouldn't work on your Mac if you follow exactly every single thing I'm doing. Put in your Touch ID, and if at some point you see an update, do not update. Just close the update window and click Install Current. Alright, let's proceed. So at this point, I'm going to click the blue button to install and download a new version of Windows 11 from the cloud. ARM version, of course. Yeah, so the download has started, and I'm going to fast forward to the parts where the download completed to save our time. Alright, so it's validating the disk image. Okay, installation has begun. Alright, at this point, I'm making everything go at 8x speed. Yep. Alright, we are getting closer to the finish line, I guess. Stick around at this point, don't fast forward, it's a short video, barely 5 minutes long, so you can just take 5 minutes to make sure you get the idea of the whole process. Alright, so I opened system settings and I turned on whatever that is. We are almost there, of course. And now the installation is done. This is the part where things go wrong, so just make sure you are following me back to back at this point. Might take a few minutes. We don't have a few minutes. Almost there, and here we are. So at this point, it will show you this particular page. You want to go to your menu bar and completely quit Parallels Desktop. Make sure it is completely closed at that point. So that patch folder, copy it and paste it in your desktop. Paste. You can see it's pasted. Now open it and right click and launch that disable library validation.command file. Type in your password and enter, and it's done. Right click and open with terminal the launch patch.command. Put in your password again, enter, click number 5 for Parallels Desktop 26 and enter. Yeah, give it a few seconds to make sure the process was not interrupted. And after doing all that, you can close terminal and we will open Parallels 26 to verify everything worked as it should. Parallels, where are you? Opening. You can see the buy icon is gone. That means it works. It's that simple. Yep, at this point, we're on the latest version, so I think you should enjoy this one with the new improvements. Also, make sure you subscribe for future updates, or else I'm going to drop a virus in your Mac one of these days.